In Unit 18, we're going to talk about SUSI, Student Universal Support Ireland Grants. This is a crucial topic as it deals with financial aid for higher education. The key competencies this unit is critical for your ability to manage learning and self by understanding the SUSI grant application process and eligibility for financial support. It also involves thinking and solving problems as you interpret residency and income criteria to determine grant eligibility. Why teach it? Financial barriers can often prevent students from pursuing higher education. This unit helps to alleviate those concerns by providing practical information on how to access vital financial support. By covering SUSI grants, you're providing students with the financial literacy and practical information needed to access this support. We'll use a presentation and discussion to explain SUSI, including videos on how to apply and eligibility criteria. An interactive activity will involve you listing the steps for completing the SUSI application and discussing important dates. We'll highlight the different types of grants, like the fee grant and maintenance grant, and their rates based on income and distance from college. Crucially, you must tick the SUSI option on your CAO form, and you'll be encouraged to use the eligibility reckoner and apply early. Why pay attention? Paying attention here is incredibly important because a SUSI grant can significantly reduce the financial burden of college. This could mean thousands of euro in support, covering fees or living expenses. Understanding the eligibility criteria like residency and income levels and the application process is paramount for your financial future and making higher education accessible.